Yeah, let's go strap. Yeah.
Okay. I never do strap.
It's way better.
We never do strap.
No, we only do strap. You want to put the strap on me? You know how to put the strap on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I kind of do, yeah, but
Okay.
it's not really good.
Yeah? You put it on me. Okay? Yeah?
So set first
Yeah.
with my hand, right?
No, whoever has the buckle.
Who do you think's gonna win?
First.
The friendship and good teacher. But actually, one the
Good.
student
No.
which takes the good lesson in the future will be better. So this is the real
Halfway.
winner.
Yeah. Now reach your hand through the middle. Yeah. Grab. You pull it tight, and I'll pull this. Yeah. Pull tight. Yeah.
I wouldn't really know like which technique is best suited for me or
Everything.
Or
will
which
work.
way should I
Listen,
pull, or-
I'll kind of stay with you,
yeah.
and
Is it good?
yeah, that's great. Yeah. Just go ahead and pin. Yeah. Nice. Good. Stay close to it with your body. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Okay. I'm gonna stop you a bit. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Pull up hard into my hand. Put your fingers over top of your thumb. Slide your elbow forward. As high up as you can. As higher. Yeah. Now keep that pressure and bend your wrist hard and bring your elbow to the back. Oh, see how you go straight back? Mm-hmm. Try and make it all the way to the corner. Yeah. Yeah. And see how your hip is far away? Mm-hmm. Try and keep your hip right close to the table. Boom. Yeah. Good. Yes. See where your elbow ends? Mm-hmm. Okay. Try to get it to there. Okay. Try to. Yeah. Not bad. Here, we'll just work. We won't work on the pin. I'll work on getting you into a press, okay? So pull up. Yeah. Good. Stand up nice and tall. Put your hip right against the table. Good. Bring your elbow all the way inside. Good. Now, very slowly, okay? Post up. Slide your elbow forward, and as you do, get a better grip. Good. Nice, okay. Keep that pressure, bring your elbow back to the corner. Good. Keep your hip in contact. Good. Bend your wrist harder. Good. Put your fingers higher up. Good. Good. Try and move your forward shoulder forward. Yeah, but bring the hand to there. Yes, good. Yeah, lots of wrist. Think about your wrist. Good. A little bit more pressure. Okay, you good?
Yeah, I'm very tired.
Yeah,
That's good.
Last one here. Okay, I'll make you work a bit. All right. Okay. Yeah. Cut. Good. Wow. Good job.
It's incredible. Normally when I get around people, I can
Yeah.
always like put my thumb under my index over my thumb.
Yeah.
With you, I can't do that.
The thumb is a bit bigger.
And your hand is so fucking thick.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Thanks, buddy.
That's amazing.
Well, we'll just get excited.
Now I have the power of Devon Larratt.
Wait till tomorrow.
you
Wait
ready
till
for me?
tomorrow.
Are you ready
Oh no!
for me?
If you have the endurance, I don't want.
You better not.
Kill me, come on once, you know.
I ain't a one-trick pony, got a whole bag of magic. The snare, kick, hat, sample, and raps all matching. Fashion and style forever getting better. Edit the seventh letter, replay to authentic pen.